Welcome again to Paper Glen. On this tutorial, I will teach you how to make the air spinner. To make the air spinner, you need a square origami paper. And let's start now. First step, I will fold the paper in half. Next, I fold the paper in half again. The following step, start from this edge, fold to the center crease. Repeat the same step for this side. Okay. Next step, I will start from this edge and fold to the center crease again. Repeat the same step. Okay. Now fold this side back. Fold this one back as well. Turn the paper this way. Here we go. So now we have a crease here, and then you can see this edge will match this edge to this crease like this. And then you can pull this side out as well. Match the edge to the crease. Okay. Do not fold down right now. Make sure that you make a crease here. And then now you can fold this side out. Okay. Then I will repeat the same step for this side. I'll fold this side down, match this edge to the center crease. And I fold this one down. Okay. Here we go. Make sure that you make a crease here first. Same thing here, and fold down. Alright. Now I will fold this layer out to this side. And I'll keep this layer like this. Then you can see this side. Just fold it out. Here we go. So this is what we should have for now. Now we will have a spinning wheel. Next step, I turn the paper over and I will fold this edge to the center crease like this. Here we go. And I repeat the same step for this side. Turn the paper this way and fold it to the center crease. Alright. And repeat the same step for this corner. And repeat the same step for this side. And then just fold this one down. Okay, fold this one down first. And fold it down. Let's fold this one out. And as you can see this side, fold it out like this. So this is a cool wheel. As you can see here, we have a square, and when you look at closer, you can see this layer. There's a part of the paper that you can fold it to the center of the square. By folding that way, you can hold all the paper together. See how I do it? Take a look at this. For this one, it into the center point of the square. Then when you look on this side, there's this another part of the paper. Okay, then you fold this corner into the center point as well. Okay, repeat the same step for this corner. Forward to the center crease, forward to the center of the square. Repeat the same step for this side. Here we go. So now you have a cool wheel. Okay, next step, we'll create the wheel so you can blow it and it will spin. So first step, I fold this part up, then repeat the same step for this side. I fold this one up, and then next I fold this side up, and then the leftover, just do the same thing. Here we go. So this is the air spinner. Alright, so I will demonstrate how you can blow it. You can use a straw to blow it, or you can just blow it, but you need to blow it from a distance. I think it is about 12 inches above. Okay, hold your straw like this, hold this way, and then just blow it to the center of the paper, but you need to move it up like 12 inches above, and then just blow it. Here we go. Should not spin at all. Make sure that you fold this one down a little bit, like this. Okay. And now let's try it one more time. Do you see the difference? Make sure that all the wheel here will create an angle at 45 degrees. Then you blow it from above.